Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Chippa United have signed Stanley Nwabali. In a statement that says, Chippa Football Club is delighted to welcome Stanley Nwabali back to the Chile Boys. After taking time away, Stanley Nwabali returns to the Eastern Cape and we are pleased to welcome him back to the club. That's the statement from Chippa United. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Chippa United signing Stanley Nwabali once again back to the club? Do you think that they made a good move by re-signing him? Remember, the Nigerian international goalkeeper Stanley Nwabali, he left Chippa United just after when he returned from the African Cup of Nations in Morocco, where Nigeria managed to get a bronze medal after defeating Egypt on penalties. And Stanley Nwabali asked the club to release him, and the chairman agreed. He released him because Stanley Nwabali believed that he would probably get a better team than Chippa United. Remember, Stanley Nwabali is normally the only player who plays on the African continent in the whole of the Nigerian squad, so definitely he is a talented player. And since 2021, when he made his debut, he has made 34 appearances for the Super Eagles and he is their #1 goalkeeper. So it makes sense to think that he would get a better move. However, after Chippa United released him as requested, he was unable to find a club. He was just busy training alone. And there was only one move that we heard, that there was a team in Africa that wanted to sign him. However, they didn't agree when it comes to personal terms and he moved away from that deal. Ever since that, we never heard that there's any team that wants to sign him. There were just rumors that Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, they want his signature, but nothing concrete ever happened when it came to that. And it's been months since he's been trying to find a team and he hasn't found a team. And then earlier this week, we heard that he is busy training with the Chile Boys as they are busy preparing for the 2026-27 season under new head coach Brendan Truter. And now he has secured a contract once again. Chippa United have welcomed him back. He's known for his shot-stopping ability, command of the penalty area, and composure under pressure. He combines strong physical presence with agility, and he has been praised for his defensive leadership at both club and international levels. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Stanley Nwabali leaving Chippa United and now returning? Remember, when he left them, they were in the relegation fight for the Betway Premiership status, and goalkeeper Dumisani Msibi stepped up and finished the season on a high, keeping 5 clean sheets, and he captained the side. And he was even close to making it to the national team after a string of fine performances. So they did well without Stanley Nwabali, but now they've welcomed him back into the club. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Chippa United bringing Stanley Nwabali back to the club? Do you think it's a good move for them? And also for him, let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.